In this video, we're going to install Frunk RGB lights that are compatible with all Tesla models. What is going on, Tesla family? Today we have this super cool LED upgrade for the Frunk. This light comes from Hanshow and they're compatible for all Tesla models. I think these lights look really cool and very easy to install. These are probably one of the easiest accessories that we have installed on our Tesla so far, but I think it makes a very big difference. So I'm going to show you all how these lights are installed, what they do, go through some of the app settings that this light offer, and then tell you my honest opinion after installing this light. If you want to check this light out, please make sure to use my discount code ShivaTesla during the checkout to get 15% off. Not just for this lights, but for any products that you can buy from Hanshow, you can always use my code to get a big discount. As always, let's get started with the installation guide. This kit comes with everything you need and doesn't require splicing of any kind. You have the LED strip, there's a little controller that controls various settings using the app, and then there is this bypass plug, which we will connect to the existing front button to get power. Start by removing the front panel. You just have to apply some pressure upward and push it up. There are a few clips holding this panel and it doesn't require much force to remove it. We'll use this plug to power the LEDs. Grab the new Y splitter and remove the plug that is connected to the front button. Simply pull on the plug and it comes right out. Now take the male plug you just removed from the front button and insert it into the female adapter of the Y splitter. Then take the male adapter of the Y splitter and plug it into the front button. Make sure the button is lit up. This latch compartment on the Model 3 is very small, so you cannot fit all the cables inside the panel, but you can push some of the cables towards the side wall and close the panel you removed earlier. The panel still clicks into its place, so it won't interfere with Frunk open and close. Insert the female DC plug of the controller to the male DC plug routed from the Frunk button. You can either expand this controller wiring and begin LED installation from the side of the Frunk, or if you don't mind seeing some cables dangling around, you could just fold the controller wires and start the LED connection right from the very front. In my case, I'm going to start the LED connection from the side. Connect the LED pins to the controller plug. We can begin the routing process. Make sure the side that has a slit faces outward so the LED projects down. This is very important. These LEDs have a curved section and a non-light part that is flat. You need to face the curved side, which is the light part, towards the bottom, and the side that has a slit in the middle is touching the front wall. The LED routing is super simple. Just insert the LED strip inside the weather stripping all around the front. You just have to prop open the weather stripping and insert the LED strip. Make your way around the front following this exact same step. The rubber weather strip could come off while routing the LEDs, but all you have to do is push it down and it will align in its place. Take your time and hide the white LED strip inside the rubber strip. Make sure the rubber strip is pushed all the way down so it doesn't interfere with the front operation. It gets a little tricky towards the end with all these plugs and wires. Just take your time and try to hide as much of the component inside the rubber strip. If you really want to hide this and make it clean, you could remove the entire front panel and route the cable underneath the panel. If your LED strip is longer than what you need, you could cut it right where they have these marks on the back. Once this is all installed, it looks pretty clean. You can't even really see the LEDs except for that very end part where we have the controller and the plugs. This is what the LED look like with the broad daylight. They provide quite a bit of light. This is the view at night. That's a big transformation. So this is the app, and then in the top right corner, that's when you can connect your device through Bluetooth. And in the main interface right here in the adjust, you can really select any colors you want. And right here is the power, so you can turn the power on and off. But now you can select red, you can select green, yellow, blue, whatever color that you want to select, it will select right here. And then in the bottom too, there's the static colors that you can select. So red, yellow, white. You can leave any color you want. There's a lot of adjustment that you can do. And then when you click on style, this is when you can change the speed, the brightness, and then the type. So static red, the purple stove, cayenne, strobe. You can do, there's so many of these colors. So 7-color jumping change. you can change so many of these patterns, or you can just leave it in static white if that's what you want. Static purple, static yellow, green, blue. So you can go between all of those there. You can also sync this with music. You can also sync this with mic. So then it would be like, okay, now I'm talking, and that's how it picks up while I'm talking, the volume, and then it changes different colors. So it's pretty cool. There's so many things that you can do with this. You can also schedule it. So lots and lots of options in this app. And there's no lag. I mean, turn off, on, red, blue. There is so much you can do. You can even change this dial. It can go through different colors. I mean, that looks so awesome. I think this is a pretty cool accessory. It is practical because it provides lighting to the frunk, as that little button doesn't provide enough light at night. But this is also super fun. I'm probably going to leave it in the settings where it changes color. The app works really well and provides lots of options. I like that this upgrade didn't require any splicing. Hansho has a previous version of this light that require you to tap into those frunk button cables, but this one had a Y splitter, so no tapping. As I said before, if you want to check this light out, please use my discount code ShivaTesla to get 15% off. Thanks for your continued support to my channel. I have lots of cool Tesla accessories that we'll be installing in the near future. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of my future Tesla videos. Thank you for watching. I'll be back again with another video.